241 at the fuel pit with information, x-ray, taxi.
Hi everyone, it's Marcy Klein from Klein Creative Media, and I'm back to give you an update on 5 Fly Girls, our documentary, and share the progress with you. It's now been officially a year and a half since our journey began, following 5 flight attendants as they trained to become pilots for a major airline carrier. Jenny ended up moving to Hawaii to fly for Mokulele Airlines.
I have other news. I'm pregnant.
What?
Congratulations!
And surprised everybody by sharing that she was pregnant with her first baby. That's timing. But 9 months later, we had a chance to fly to Hawaii and document one of her first flights back in the cockpit after becoming a mommy. Jennifer graduated SkyWest training and is now a pilot there. And Sheena followed in her footsteps and is currently finishing her training with SkyWest as well. Megan is still a private pilot instructor, but just got accepted into the SkyWest program, so she'll be following shortly behind them. Soila went to Indiana to take her CFII test and passed. And it coordinated great with her son's first birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Our 5 Fly Girls are continuing to thrive in their lives and careers, and we can't wait to document their next steps towards the future. We hope you will consider backing our project so we can continue to follow these women through their amazing transformation from the cabin to the cockpit. We all appreciate your generosity. Thank you so much.